to release the pull-up button from Mercedes. This is the parking brake. So what we're going to do, we're going to release these two bolts holding this parking brake handle. So guys, I'm just going to tell you, the first thing, you have to pull it forward. You just pull the parking brake thing, and then it gives you access to the two 20 Torx bolts, and then from there you can just use any leverage you can. If you have a short screwdriver, you just use it to get access to it. So I'm using a gun right here, electric gun, to just pull it out, and then once one comes out, and then I'll be able to just pull it slowly, and then just get it from the side as I hold on this side, not to release it to go back, because there's some kind of like a spring or the wire pulling back. Okay, this one is out, so we get this one out, guys. So I have to put it aside, and then we do the next one, which is on this right side. Alright guys, what you have to pay attention is make sure once it comes out, you pull it out slowly, so that you'll be able to make assess the damage which has been done to it for the parking brake. And then as a precaution, I've opened the side of the dash right here, so that if anything, if the wire just gets inside, I'll be able to pull it from the side, and then I'll be able to redirect it to come in forward. Okay guys, here it comes out. So it's locked inside, so I have to pull it from the lock, take it out first. So I take it out from the rear, and then I just move out like that, and then it comes out, we pull it out. So this is our latch, guys. This is our lock or handle. So this is the new one we're going to put in. I'm going to show you guys the damage which was there. This is a new one, looks good. Yeah, so the two holes in front, and this is the lock which gets inside. Okay, let me show you guys the one which have been damaged. You can see from down right there. Yeah, the thing has damaged it, so it could not even unlock the parking brake. So I had to get a new one, so that I have to put it in there, so at least I'll be able to release my parking brake once I engage it. So here it is. So this is the old one. So these are the two bolts where the Torx go to. That's the spot, and this is where our parking brake wire gets through, and this is how it gets in. Okay guys, let's just reassemble it back. So the side cover, I've opened it so that it gives me access in case that thing gets back in there. Okay, let's put it back, guys. So I have to make sure it has to align well, and this side has to face up. The one you see where the parking brake wire gets in, here, right here, it just faces up. Just first put like that, and then you have to just put it under there, and then you have to make sure it just locks in there first. And then the tricky part, guys, is about to begin, how to reassemble it back, because putting it back, guys, we have to pull the thing at the same time. We have to make sure the other part remains up there, so that we'll be able to put a screw, because it has some pulling force too. So guys, it needs really careful, it needs some strength, and yeah, and separation. We have to separate it back. Maybe somebody can help you, but I'm just doing this on my own. So guys, just check it out. So you just pull it back like that, and then you put your ball slowly through there, and then just make sure one ball gets inside. Once the ball is inside, guys, the other side won't be too hard. At least it will give you some leverage to be able to have something which gives you some energy to pull it back, and then to get energy to do the rest, the other one which is remaining. Okay guys, now that I've already got that one in, I can release the thing. Then I can now do the rest, which is the one remaining on the left side. So I can be able to just put it in there, and then see if my screwdriver gets in there, and then just work it slowly all the way. And then once done, guys, once inside, let me just tighten this for last time right here. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay guys, I think I'll prefer maybe a gun, electric gun, because it gives you ease of access to put that instead of like having long time just using a regular screwdriver. It takes you longer time than before. So here we are guys, I think we're done. It's already in, so it's time to test it to make sure that our latch is working, our pull, handbrake pull is working. Then make sure all the bolts are all in. Then we see if it's working, then we'll be good to go. Alright, let's engage the parking brake. Let me step on it, all the way, and then I just pull this. Oh yeah, it's working now. It's working great. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. Please leave a like and subscribe.